I'm gonna show you how you can create your own emojis. In this case, we're gonna use the VERY app. Let's open it. And then you're gonna have this option right here. Tap on it. Then you'll see these two options, which means this one right here on the right side means that you're gonna have your project with a regular background. And the one on the left, you're gonna have a transparent background or a PNG background. So in this case, this one is gonna work better, but of course you can use whatever you want. So you select the size. I'm gonna pick the square one, then tap on the check mark, and then you're gonna go to the bottom and tap on text. And here, of course, you're gonna go to the emoji keyboard. I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm gonna make it bigger. Then I'm gonna select another emoji. I'm gonna choose that one, and I'm gonna use this one on top of the other emoji. But as you can see, you have like this thing hanging, right? Because it's a helmet. So just select that emoji, and then you have this menu on the bottom. You're gonna go to eraser. You're gonna erase the part that you don't need. It can be any emoji, so in this case this is gonna be so easy because it's like a very small area that we have to erase. But of course you can also do something like this. You see, it's a different emoji, or even this one. That's with the eraser tool. So once you have that, you're gonna place the helmet on top of our emoji. And of course, if you want to make some other changes, in this case I'm gonna choose the sunglasses, and I'm gonna add the sunglasses on top of this emoji. As you can see, it's like really, it looks like completely different and very cool. So once you have that, you're just gonna tap on save, and this is how it's gonna look. Of course you can use this in different projects, and I use these emojis in my thumbnails for my videos, and it helps a lot.